Hi Capricorns, welcome to Tarot with Andy. This is your bi-weekly reading for the period of 5th of July to the 19th of July. To save time, I have already got the spread of cards for you. You can see. The first card that came out is the Empress. This tells us that you will be in action mode and you will get fruits for your labor, KPs. It's a greater arcana card. The coming weeks you will be taking initiative, work for long hours and will move into the unknown, which is good for you. So remain open and fetch all these opportunities coming your way, KPs. One more thing, you will not go by the rules, but behave in a secretive manner and achieve success by having secret meetings. You will go out of the box to achieve things, not remain in boundaries, which might give you some difficulties, or you might doubt, or there might be ignorance. But this is the best way to go forward in the coming weeks. The next card you got is Ten of Wands. This is a card worthy of attention, and some of the readings cannot be in harmony. Basically, it will give you honor, and good faithful people will be attracted towards you and will give you lots of attention, KPs. You will exercise your authority and your earnings will be increased. You will be fortunate and will be successful in anything you desire for. So dream big, KPs, and achieve it. And one more thing, don't play by the rules. As the last card, the Empress, suggested. But I have an advice for you, KPs. Beware of a false person who will disguise as a friend but is your enemy. He has a false exterior. This person will try to hide their original identity or actual bad intention towards you, but will behave as if they are your well-wishers, which they are not, KPs. You cannot trust this person at all. It can be in your family or office or social surroundings. This person is approaching from or coming from hatred and hurt, and this person is carrying with him rods with which he or she would want to harm you. Request you all to like and subscribe the video. The next card you got is Five of Swords. This is not a good card. It tells me there will be degradation. Systematically you will be wearing down. There will be destruction. For example, it could be destruction of your ways of thinking. If we see in the other sense, it could be destruction of your bad habits also. Basically, your perception might change towards something, Caprice. You might leave something for good. Do not try to hold on to bad things like people, groups, surroundings, job, bad marriage. Why I was telling you it's not a good card, because it tells me that for some of you divorce is around the corner. Others might change their jobs. You might get away from your friends whom you are not happy with. It can be good in this way. Finally, you do not hold on to things, people, situation or habits that do not serve you. You leave them and start afresh. If it means being alone, let it be, Capricorns. That's my advice for you. This does not mean you will fight with anyone or resist anything. In fact, it's totally the opposite. You will leave people with calmness without a conflict, as it doesn't serve you guys. If you are not taking anything into your future, what is the point in giving your energy and time to it? There is no conflict left, correct? Basically, it will be a blessing in disguise. It will set you on a new journey. It might set you free. Guys, I am using the original Rider-Waite Tarot deck. The next card that came out is the Moon. Kippies, be very careful, as you might have hidden enemies in your surroundings at job or at home who might disguise you and may come to you as a friend, well-wisher, but they are not. They just want to take your personal information so that they can use it against you in public, behind your back. They will make false or defamatory statements about you in order to damage your reputation. So be very careful about this. The next card we got is the Star. For some of you, this card, KPs, will be positive, and for some of you it might be negative. I'll give you both the perspectives. This card tells me that there would be some kind of a loss, or there might be theft of some sort happening. So be very careful. There could be that essentials of life, all that are required for your well-being, like food and other things, you might lack in that. Or it could mean that you would not be in your usual self. Your main quality might be missing. Your charm might be missing in the coming weeks, please. You might get a feeling that people are abandoning you. Some of you might resonate with this, but for some of you, KPs, this card simply shows hope and bright prospects. So it can bring out hope and bright prospects for you in the coming weeks as well. So be open to opportunities. The last card that came out is King of Pentacles. I think this came out in your readings last week as well. This tells us that you will act with lot of courage, Capricorns, in the coming weeks. You won't give up. You will show a brave face and achieve success. Enemies will be defeated. You will be leading your business, job, or day-to-day activities very intelligently, like a master of your craft. Success will be yours, KPs. Just one thing, you might do all this privately. Thank you, KPs, for the likes and subscribes, and I wish you a wonderful weeks ahead. Have a lovely time. Bye for now.